writing at the end of the Arkan, we ask the question, can a person still be good if they have not fully applied all the Arkan? For that, we go to a parable which the Prophet Muhammad has given us, contrasting two women. The first was perceived by her people as being righteous and kind and good. But the Prophet Muhammad tells us that this woman, in the privacy of her own home, she had a cat. And she had treated this cat cruelly, locking it up and allowing it to die of starvation. So the Prophet Muhammad said, because of this act of cruelty, God was displeased with her. However, the Prophet Muhammad contrasts her with another woman who was perceived as wicked and looked down upon by her people. She was a prostitute. But once walking through the wilderness, she came upon a well where she saw a dog panting out of thirst. And this woman used her shoe, the tattered shoe, to bring up water and quench the thirst of this dog. There was no one there. She didn't post this on social media. Only God was aware of her act of kindness. And the Prophet Muhammad said, because of this act of sincerity, this act of kindness, this woman who was looked down upon, ridiculed by her people, was accepted into the grace of the Creator. We have two people. So the Prophet Muhammad reminds us that at the essence, the most important thing, though the Arkan are a methodology that can help us reach the goal, they are not the goal in themselves. The ultimate goal, as the Quran tells us, إِلَّا مَنْ أَتَى اللَّهَ بِقَلْبٍ سَلِيمٍ. That the true ultimate goal, the true success is in coming to God with an interior, with an essence that is salim, that is healthy and whole and pure. So if Islam is a constant process of seeking healness, the ultimate goal is to be in a state of internal wholeness, internal purity. Though on the surface, we as human beings will always have deficiency, we will always have cracks that we have to continuously heal and mend. But we can work hard on making sure that our interior, that the heart, that the soul, that the spirit is whole. And that is something that anyone can do. And as the Prophet Muhammad said, that even this woman who was looked at, who was ridiculed and looked down upon by her people for being a prostitute, she had al-qalbu salim. Whereas the other woman who did all the right things according to her society's rules, because she did not harness a pure interior, she had failed the test. So wherever you may go, whatever you may do, always remember to concentrate on developing al-qalbu salim, a pure interior. Remember, we're never going to be perfect. We're mortals, we're human beings, we will always have deficiencies. We can always try to continue this process of healing and concentrate on the interior. That all of us can definitely do.